Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save your work in Canva so you never lose your progress. Canva automatically saves your design, but it helps to understand how this works and how to make sure everything is saved. On your Canva dashboard, you will see new changes as they happen. Let's add some text here, just a few words. You can also adjust the transparency. Canva's automatic save feature means your work is always being saved as you go. But if you want to manually save your work, just click on File, then click Save. Once you do that, your work is saved to your Canva account, and you can find it in your projects. You can confirm that your project has been saved right here in your Canva. And that's how we save our work in Canva. Now we can design with confidence, knowing our progress is safe and easy to access anytime.